Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 different books I'm using to teach my Korean learners. I will categorize them by the level and purpose and share with you pros and cons of each book as well. Let's get started. Beginner. Seoul University Students Book. Pros. This book was developed by Seoul National University. It provides high-quality content tailored to the needs of Korean language learners. Its balanced approach to language skills and cultural understanding makes it a valuable resource for anyone serious about mastering Korean. Cons. Unfortunately, the availability of this book might be limited outside of university programs, making it challenging for self-learners to access. Also, it may not offer as much flexibility for individual study compared to other resources. Mastering Conversational Korean. Korean for Beginners. Pros. If you're eager to dive into speaking and listening skills right away, this book is an excellent choice. Focusing specifically on conversational skills, it provides practical dialogues and vocabulary that you can immediately apply in real-life situations. Cons. However, it may not offer the comprehensive coverage of grammar and writing that some learners need. Also, its scope might be limited compared to broader textbooks, so it's essential to supplement it with additional resources for a well-rounded education. Intermediate. Talk to Me in Korean Workbook. Pros. Accompanying the popular online lessons, this workbook offers additional practice and reinforcement for learners of all levels. Its diverse range of exercises ensures that you'll find something to challenge yourself with, whether you're a beginner or more advanced. Cons. However, some learners may find that the content overlaps with what's already covered in the online lessons. The workbook could benefit from more structured progression in certain areas to help learners track their advancement more effectively. Real-life Korean Conversations for Beginners. Pros. This book is a fantastic resource for beginners looking to immerse themselves in authentic Korean conversations. It provides a wide range of real-life situations, helping learners grasp natural conversation patterns and practical vocabulary. With its focus on everyday language, it's perfect for those who want to start speaking Korean right away. Cons. However, it may not be suitable for learners who prefer structured lessons or comprehensive grammar explanations. The lack of systematic progression might make it challenging for some learners to track their progress effectively. Advanced. Integrated Korean. Pros. Integrated Korean is a comprehensive textbook series that covers all aspects of language learning: grammar, vocabulary, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Its well-structured lessons make it suitable for both classroom use and self-study. Also, it offers valuable cultural insights, giving learners a deeper understanding of Korean society and customs. Cons. For absolute beginners, the depth of content might be overwhelming. Some learners may find the pacing too fast, especially if they're new to language learning or Korean specifically. Ihwa Korean. Pros. Developed by Ihwa Women's University, known for its esteemed Korean language education programs, this series offers a comprehensive curriculum covering all language skills. With its multimedia resources and supplementary materials, it provides a rich learning experience for learners of all levels. Cons. On the downside, it can be a bit pricey compared to other options on the market. Additionally, some learners may find the pacing either too slow or too fast, depending on their individual learning styles and preferences. Also, this book is written only in Korean, so I would recommend this book to anyone who doesn't need to rely on English translation. Thanks for joining me today as I introduced 6 fantastic Korean language learning resources. I hope you found this breakdown helpful in choosing the right materials for your Korean learning journey. Remember, The best resource for you depends on your individual learning style, goals, and proficiency levels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Korean language tips and resources. Until next time, happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.